All right, back with more bad sounds. At the Dirty Santa here, we were riding along, and we went to go up this hill, and I was waiting at the bottom to go up. And so I was in second, and I started to give it some gas and let the clutch out pretty quickly, and then it made that horrible, like, screeching kind of mechanical sound again. So it was not my chain that made that sound the other day on Heart Attack Hill.
Oh yeah, it's that thing.
So it's doing it again. I'm probably going to tear it apart and see what the clutch looks like. Ordered some crap for that. But if you have any other ideas of what else it could be, let me know.
Okay, I heard that sound again, and it happened when I was in second, and I gave it gas. I think my clutch is fucked up.